Welcome everyone! A few of my followers on Instagram and Facebook asked if I could share this special traditional recipe, and here it is: pork blood jelly with chives. So when you're harvesting your chives, make sure that you're cutting it really close to the soil, so that it maximizes the regrowth. I'm just going to show you exactly how close I mean to maximize regrowth. So if you look at that, try to cut it closest to the soil as you can to maximize regrowth. And you're going to get a whole bunch of those, and then we're going to wash it and we're going to prep it and stir fry it. When you purchase the pork blood jelly from the supermarket, it already comes in cubes inside a container. What you need to do is make sure that you rinse it twice with cold water and then cut the larger pieces into smaller pieces. By putting the garlic and ginger in hot oil and sauteing it, that ensures that you get all the flavor out of the ginger and garlic. What's great about Chinese cooking is that you can adjust the seasoning based on personal preference. For example, if you're adding soy sauce, you can add a little bit more to suit your own taste. You do not want to overcook the pork blood jelly, so when you notice that the chives are wilted, it is ready to be plated. a chance to try this recipe and share it with your family. Please subscribe and hit the bell button so you can be the first to watch my new videos.